how to edit a video in slow motion on InShot app. Now in order to do this, you just simply need to open your InShot application, then select the video clip which you want to edit in slow mode. Now I already have this draft saved, so I will be using this one. And at very first, you just simply need to select your clip, and after that, just simply scroll to this menu bar. You just simply need to find out this option of speed. Now just simply select this speed option, and now here are two options to use the slow-mo into your video. First one is standard and second one is curve. Now into the standard section, you can apply the slow-mo for your whole video. Just simply decrease the speed of the video as much as you want, and then you can also apply this smooth option to make your videos smoothly slow mode like this. My video has successfully been slowed like this. You can absolutely use it. Now other one we have here is this curve feature. Now in order to use this curve, you have this dots or the points. Now wherever you want video to be slowed, you just simply need to move this blue dots really down as much as you want. If you want your video to be slowed by 1.4x, just simply put to 1.4, or if you need your video some specific part to be faster, you need to put this blue dot higher, and similarly do it whenever you want slow and the fast in the video. So this is how you can easily do it, and your video will successfully be slowed and fast as much as you want after the processing. Now if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.